In today's video, I am going to teach you how to onboard clients to Basecamp. Start by opening Basecamp and going to the project you will use for your client. Once you are inside the project, open the message board. This is where you typically post key updates, kickoff information, and important announcements. Click the file option at the top, and then click Close. This is simply to exit that file view and get back to the main project area. Next, use the quick navigation menu. This is the fastest way to move around without hunting through every screen. From Quick Nav, select the same project again to return to the project home, then click into the To-Do area. From there, open the list called Client To-Dos. This list is usually where you store the tasks you expect the client to complete, like providing assets, approvals, or answers. Inside that to-do list, click Change. In the visibility settings, select Allow the client to see this too. This is a key onboarding move because it ensures the client can actually view and work from the tasks you are assigning. Confirm the change, then back out to the project again using the navigation at the top. Now go to the Docs and Files area for the project. This is where you keep shared resources like briefs, brand files, and reference documents. After that, click Chat to open Project Chat. Click Change again and adjust the client visibility so the client can access it. Save or confirm your update, then return to the project view. Next, open Schedule. This is useful for adding kickoff calls, review meetings, and major milestone dates so everything stays in one place. Click Add an Event to start creating a calendar item. After that, use Quick Nav again to jump back to the main project area. Finally, open the Card Table tool, the one described as moving cards across columns in a Kanban-like workflow. This view helps clients understand status at a glance, especially when you track work through stages. Click Change. Update the client visibility so the client can see it as well, and confirm your settings. Once these areas are visible, your client has access to the core spaces they need for a smooth onboarding experience. That covers everything you need to know.